Ever feel like the world is against you, telling you your dreams are too big, too unrealistic? Let me tell you a story about a young boy named Kabir, and it might just change how you see things. Kabir grew up in a small, dusty town where opportunities were as scarce as rain. He lived in a tiny shack with his family, and though they didn't have much, Kabir had something incredibly valuable: a dream. He dreamt of building something of his own, a business that would lift his family out of poverty and change their lives forever. But whenever he shared his dream, he was met with laughter. "A poor boy like you," they'd say. "Stick to what you know. Dreams are for the rich." The constant ridicule started to weigh on him, dimming the bright spark of his ambition. One day, feeling lost, Kabir met a wise old teacher everyone called Guruji. Guruji listened patiently as Kabir poured out his heart, his hopes, and his frustrations. The old man then looked him in the eyes and said, "Kabir, inside every person, there is a small flame. This is the flame of belief. The world will try to blow it out with winds of doubt and storms of negativity. Your job is not to listen to them. Your job is to cup your hands around that flame and protect it, nurture it, feed it, and it will grow into a fire that no one can extinguish." Those words ignited something within Kabir. He realized his dream wasn't something to be validated by others. It was something to be protected by him. From that day forward, he cupped his hands around his inner flame, threw himself into his studies, devouring books at the local library. He worked every odd job he could find, delivering newspapers, cleaning shops, repairing small appliances, save a few extra coins. He sacrificed sleep, entertainment, and time with friends, all to feed his growing fire. Life wasn't easy. His mother fell ill, and the medical bills piled up. His father, a humble laborer, grew older and weaker, his income dwindling. The weight of responsibility on Kabir's young shoulders was immense. There were countless nights he wanted to give up, when the cold reality felt too heavy and the flame flickered dangerously low. But then he would remember Guruji's words. He would close his eyes, picture his dream, and cup his hands a little tighter, whispering to himself, "Just a little longer. Keep it burning." Years of this unwavering discipline passed. Kabir's small savings grew. His knowledge of electronics, which he had studied relentlessly, became his expertise. He started a tiny repair shop in a corner of his home. His reputation for honest, skilled work spread. Slowly but surely, he saved enough to rent a small storefront. That small store grew into a larger one, and eventually, Kabir's electronics business became one of the most successful in the region. He wasn't just fixing devices anymore. He was building a legacy. With his success, he was able to provide the best medical care for his mother, who recovered fully. He allowed his father to retire peacefully. The same people who once laughed at the poor boy with big dreams now looked at him with respect and admiration. Kabir had not only achieved his dream, he had proven that the size of your dream isn't measured by the money in your pocket, but by the fire in your heart. So, what's your flame? What's that dream you're protecting? Remember Kabir's story? The world will always have its opinions, its doubts, and its negativity. Let them. Your only job is to cup your hands around your belief and never ever let that fire go out. Because that small flame, when nurtured with perseverance and hard work, has the power to light up your entire world. Thanks for watching. If this story resonated with you, hit that like button and subscribe for more inspiration. Keep your flame burning.